Hi, kids. Welcome to the last week of October. God, time flies. This week we are going to continue doing coordinate plane activities. So Monday we have a slide deck that you are going to do, and there is a video for you to watch attached to the activity in Google Classroom. On Tuesday, you're going to continue doing coordinate plane activities, and there's an instructional video. I will be talking to you and walking you through it, helping you graph points on a coordinate plane. Wednesday, you are going to be taking notes with me on how to find area and perimeter on a coordinate plane, both quadrilaterals and triangles. Thursday, you're going to be doing 30 minutes of MobyMax, and then on Friday, you're going to do a coordinate plane slide activity where you actually practice finding distance and then area and perimeter of things. So I just want to walk you through this really quick. Here is our word wall for this unit. It's helpful if you need to review anything. It's a nice visual about absolute value, a visual about opposites on a thermometer. Sorry, here is a coordinate plane. And then here's just another little thing talking about grids and origins. Don't worry about the ratio part. We'll be learning that later in the year. Just want to remind you also about our expectations while you're in Google Classroom. Make sure you review those. And then every day I have our objective and what we're doing on the slides for you. So make sure you use those and help yourself out.